Hello, Gupshoppers. Welcome to another episode of Football Gupshop. Friends, if you could please subscribe to this channel, press the like button. If you can share this channel with your friends and family, and as well as that, you can give comments or any suggestions if you would like to see any changes in this episode or in any other future episodes. So friends, let's start today with our episode. We'll be discussing today about Champions League draw which has taken place yesterday. We'll be talking about the teams in which groups they have been appointed and who would they face against each other or which other teams. So let's begin with Group A, and we'll be looking at Group A. You could see that Bayern have been drawn with Atletico, Salzburg and Lokomotiv Moscow. We could definitely see a very good match between Bayern and Atletico Madrid. Definitely after Atletico Madrid acquiring Luis Suarez, Bayern are favorites in this group, and they are also favorites to win this tournament again. So basically the big titans would be Atletico Madrid and Bayern Munich, and I can see both of them moving ahead in that group. So let's move on to our next group, which is Group B, and in that group we could see Real Madrid, Shakhtar Donetsk, Inter Milan and Mönchengladbach. I can definitely see Real Madrid and Inter Milan being favorites. We could definitely see Conte against Zinedine Zidane, as they used to be players of Juventus and they used to play with each other. They were teammates and pretty good friends. So this will be another good contest to see between these two powerful teams, between Inter and Real Madrid. Let's move on to the Group C. In Group C, Porto, Manchester City, Olympiacos and Marseille. This group is okay, but if you would have to pick favorites, then definitely it will be Manchester City and Porto. But Marseille can also give a surprise. So moving on to our next group, we could see that Liverpool will be facing Ajax, Atlanta and Midtjylland. You could say that it will be a very good group in terms of expansive football, and three teams, Atlanta, Ajax and Liverpool, will be playing a pretty good, nice football, and I could definitely see Liverpool coming as a winner of that group. Moving on to the Group E, you can see Sevilla, Chelsea, Krasnodar and Rennes. These four teams will be playing against each other, and definitely Chelsea will be the favorites to win that. Another exciting thing we will see from Rennes would be Kamavinga. Moving on to the next group, which is of Zenit, Dortmund, Lazio and Club Brugge. This one is one of the best groups which have been made in Champions League draw. Everybody is favorite, other than the most two favorites would be Dortmund and Lazio, but Zenit and Club Brugge can give a surprise. Moving on to the next group, it will be Juventus, Barcelona, Dynamo Kiev and another team named Fenerbahce. Basically in this group we can definitely see Ronaldo facing up to his old nemesis Messi, and this might be the last time that these two face each other, but you never know in the future, in next 2 or 3 years, if we will see them facing against each other. And then we'll move on to our last group, which is of Group H. In this group you can see Paris, Manchester United, Leipzig and Istanbul. In this group we could definitely see Manchester United and PSG being the favorites to win this group, but it will be harder because Manchester United haven't bought anybody in the transfer market, and PSG, they were pretty strong last year, so you could see definitely competition between these two teams. But Manchester United have to progress in Champions League because they have to earn extra cash, and they need extra revenue so they could survive in the coming season. So it will be a tough task for Manchester United. They have to acquire someone in the remaining 2-3 days of transfer market, and if they don't, then they'll be in a serious trouble. So friends, this is it for this episode today. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. You know that you have been pretty supportive, but I would like you to keep on supporting this channel. If you could please share this with your friends and family. Please press the bell button icon, press the like button, and if you could please support this channel by sharing as much as you can in your WhatsApp groups, in your Facebook groups. It will be very much welcome by us. And please leave any comments or suggestion if you would like to see any changes in this channel. Thank you very much for watching Football Gupshopp. See you in the next episode.